Hey, welcome to Archmaster. This is an AI app for the design field. As a designer, you can't miss it. Welcome to subscribe to our channel. In the past two episodes, I have given a detailed explanation of the star feature AI Draw from Archmaster. If you want to know about AI Draw but haven't watched the previous episodes, you can go and watch them. This episode will cover how to use image INPAINT to modify images locally. Let's begin. As is well known, AI Draw can assist us in carrying out comprehensive designs. But what if we only want to modify a certain part of the image? For this purpose, Archmaster provides a useful function called image INPAINT, which allows for localized image modifications, giving us more control over the AI design process. Image INPAINT can be accessed via two channels in Archmaster. One is through the right-hand toolbar in AI Draw, and the other is through image INPAINT in AI Tool. First, let's look at how to use image INPAINT from AI Draw. After uploading the base image, a parameter settings panel will appear on the right. First, input the desired effect prompt in description. Here, I choose to randomly generate it. Next, go to the base image workspace. Find image INPAINT in this panel and turn on its switch. Then, a new dialog box will pop up where you can use tools to select the area you want to modify. Once the selection is completed, click Immediate Use. Keep other parameters at their defaults. Click Generate, and after a short wait, the localized modification you want will be completed. I believe this function must have application scenarios that you need. Now, let's look at the other access point for image INPAINT. Click AI Tool at the top of the page, find the image INPAINT icon, and enter the editing page after clicking it. In version, you can see that image INPAINT currently has two major model versions, with the latest being v2.0. So we choose the v2.0 model. This area contains tools for adjusting the modification scope. Use them to select the area in the image that needs modification. Here, you need to input the design prompt that you want. Next is Texture Overlay Redesign, which allows for redesigning over the original image by using textures from our online library or your uploaded textures, enabling precise redesign of the image. We will keep this turned off for now. This is Sketch Overlay Redesign, which enables redesigning over the original image by roughly sketching the outline of the content to be added with a brush and then simply describing it with a prompt, achieving one-click redesign. We will also keep this turned off for now. Here, a reference image can be uploaded, and the matching degree between the base image and the reference can be adjusted. We will set it to 0.6 for now. To ensure the final rendered image is clearer, select Ultra in size. Once everything is ready, click Start Generation. After a short wait, the previously selected area will be redrawn, with the modified area blending seamlessly with the surrounding areas for a stunning overall result. Similarly, the image INPAINT function can be used for localized modifications in interior and landscape design. That's all for this episode. I will continue to explain other features of Archmaster in future episodes. Stay tuned. Friends interested in Archmaster should definitely subscribe to our channel. I will also put the website link in the comments section. See you next time.